Hi Skip and everyone with Peerless Electric. This is Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. I'm just going to give you a few brief tips on how to update your website to help you rank higher in Google and start bringing in even more business. So I've got your website up here. I really like your logo right up here at the top and your phone number. That looks really nice. You've got a way for clients to connect with you on Facebook, so that's nice as well. We've got some of your services right up here. As we're scrolling down, it can be helpful to have those listed right here as well. Just a complete overview of everything that you offer. As we scroll down further, we've got some reviews, client testimonials. Those are always really good to have on the home page. Get an estimate today. This is something that you can also move to the top as a call to action for your clients as soon as they click into your website. And then down here at the bottom, a little bit about you, and then your contact information. And here's a little bit more in depth on some of your services, which is nice. So coming up here, if I click on these images and do save as, we can see they pop up as modern kitchen and then a whole bunch of random numbers, and some letters thrown in there as well. So what you can do with this is, prior to uploading them to your website, save these as buyer intent keywords, because Google's crawlers will read these and it will help you rank higher as well. So your website looks really nice. It's sleek, it's simple. What Google really cares about though is content, and they like to see you sitting at about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. So I've gone ahead and put your website into wordcounter.net, and this is a free tool. And as you can see, you've got about 328 words on your home page. Now I've also gone and put in Electric Man, who's one of the top competitors in Dallas. And as you can see, they've got about just a little over 1,000 words on their home page. So not quite at that 1,500 mark, but they're far surpassing you at this time. Now, in addition to that quality content on your homepage, Google also likes to see buyer intent keywords sprinkled throughout it. So one of those keywords can be Electrician Dallas, Electrician Fort Worth, things like that. Now, if I search for that on your homepage, it doesn't come up at all. And these are things that you can really easily just add in here. Even if you put up here, Peerless Electric, the Electrician Dallas loves. Google's going to read that, and it's going to help you rank higher. Now, the next thing that we're going to talk about is backlinks. So Google is similar to a popularity contest, and so backlinks are very important. And backlinks are just a shout out from another website. And Google likes to see those shout outs because these are other websites vouching for you, saying that you're trustworthy and relevant. But Google also has to make sure that those other websites are trustworthy and relevant as well. Now, the tool that I use to check backlinks is called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There are other free options out there. So what we're going to look at here really quick is your UR and DR rating. So your UR is your trust rating with Google. Your DR is your power rating. So as you can see, your trust rating's much higher than your power rating, but we really want these numbers to be pretty close together. And obviously, the higher the better. Now, these are influenced by your backlinks, and your backlinks come from your referring domains. So you've got 572 backlinks coming from 33 other websites. Now, I put the Electric Man in, and as you can see, their UR has no data, and their power rating is pretty high. But again, these two need to be pretty close together. And so that's just letting us know that some of these backlinks probably aren't as trustworthy and or as relevant as they need to be. And so they've got 153 referring domains. So you can just click into here and you can get yourself added to all of these same domains. Because if these are good enough to rank them, they're going to be good enough to rank you guys. And this is done just by either registering an account or emailing the account owner. Sometimes you have to pay a monthly fee for them. Sometimes it's just a citation or listing a coupon that would be available. But this starts to help rank you organic and increase your organic traffic to your website. Whereas yours is at 15, theirs is at 294, and this can directly affect the money that's coming into you from that organic traffic. Now, in addition, you can look up organic keywords and see some different keywords that they're using to help rank a little bit higher. Electric Man Dallas has 70 people per month searching for it. 24-hour Electrician has 2,000 people searching for it. So these are all kinds of different keywords that you can also sprinkle into that quality content on your home page. Now, when we talk about ranking organically, that means that you're going to start to show up right down here, and you want to be ideally in the first, second, or third position here. And then the last thing that we're going to talk about is this area right here called the local map pack or Google My Business. And how you get here is creating a profile for your business, filling it out completely, and then getting your citation added to directories. So a citation is just your business's name, address, and phone number. And those directories can include things like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, things like that. And so what I would do if I was in your shoes is I would find out all the citations that my top competitors are listed in, and I would get myself listed in those exact same ones. And then I would go above and beyond that, and if they were listed in like 150, I would get myself listed in 200, 250, maybe even 300, and really just blow them out of the water. All right, Skip. I hope that was helpful for you. That's all I've got. I'm looking forward to hearing your feedback. So just a quick recap. We really want to boost that content to 1,500 quality words on this homepage. We want to sprinkle in some of those buyer intent keywords, Electrician Dallas, Electrician Fort Worth, because people aren't Googling electricians for fun. And then we want to improve our backlinks and get our power rating and our trust rating up higher and increase that organic traffic that's coming to our website. And then lastly, we just hit on how to get into this local map pack, getting your citations put out there, and getting more business to you so you can be ranked first up here and first further down here, which just lets your clients know that Google finds you trustworthy and they can find you trustworthy as well. Thanks.